I don't know where to start. Place is killer, right?
You're watching First Up. The Indian Army has shown its bravery yet again in a massive
Challenges and
operation.
trouble, they managed to rescue over 680 people at 13,000 people who were stuck at that Sela Pass in
Historic Sela Pass
Arunachal.
near Tawang in Arunachal.
Heavy snowfall and blizzard struck areas, bringing it to a standstill and leaving commuters facing travel disruption.
This was Sela a year back. For years, it's known for its extremes, which we had no clue of. As we rode deep into the mountains, all the excitement went for a toss, and with that, fear and uncertainty lurked in. Every inch we moved forward, we felt like taking a step back. I think it was a sign we better buckle up. The story is about how we got stuck in a snowstorm for 14 hours.
Wow! Oh shit. This is bad. That is fucked up.
ब्रेक मत मारो, एक नंबर गियर लगाओ और धीरे धीरे चलते रहो। ब्रेक मत मारो, ठीक है? ब्रेक में तो और गिरेगा।
ब्रेक मत मारो, एक नंबर पे धीरे धीरे चलते रहो। दिस इज चलने में नहीं होगा। हाँ, नो ब्रेक्स। Fuck! Literally we're riding at 20 की स्पीड में because the whole ground is freaking slippery. See these ice formation? What is this? Such bitches, man. Ice is a bitch.
So let's take a step back and see where we're at. We're close to about 11 kilometers from the point of our first incident, जहाँ हम पहली बार गिरे थे. And we covered this distance of 11 kilometers in 2 hours. Just give it a thought. Our average came down to 5.5 kilometers per hour. पागलपन है. मतलब we weren't riding. It was something which we had never come across in our life. We had no clue. Everything was out of our hand. But at the same time लग रहा था नहीं यार सब सही है, मज़ा आ रहा है. You know, it's part of the journey. But things were about to get worse.
This is how I'm riding. If I don't do this, I'll slip. सर कितना टाइम लगेगा पार करने में?
1 किलोमीटर और होगा।
स्नो उसके बाद नहीं है?
उसके बाद नहीं है, तार रोड है।
अच्छा,
तार रोड है। कब बर्फ गिरेगा, कब ज्यादा गिरेगा पता नहीं है।
हाँ
लेकिन आराम से जाना दोस्त।
हाँ सर, 1 किलोमीटर और। हाँ
अब उसका आगे तार रोड है, तारकोल रोड है।
अच्छा,
तारकोल ठीक है। चलो चलो।
First of all, a human interaction in that environment was so overwhelming कि हम लोग बात कर पा रहे हैं किसी और से. You're getting to know the local conditions from a person that you can trust. We forgot everything, whatever happened. We forgot where we at. मतलब ठंड चली गई दिमाग से. There's this hope which came back to us, you know.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास. fuck. मम का विश्वास को fuck कर देना. So basically I'll try to explain what's happening here. We are still stuck at Sela. It's 5:09 right now, and still one rider we're waiting for him, and I'm stuck here. चल. रुक. चल. वेट, ज़्यादा नहीं, पलटेगा. स्टैंड मार गया. आराम से. ए. Oh God, ये रात. वेट. हाँ, स्टैंड मार.
इसको चलते क्रॉस करेंगे बे.
हाँ चलो. Fuck. See this? I just in this time. Oh. Narayan. Come on. हाँ? ना बीच में नहीं जाना. Yeah baby. है ना, पूरा सब स्नो से ढक चुके हैं. मजा आ रहा है. लाइफ इज एडवेंचर. उठाओ. स्टैंड डाउन. 1 2 3 गो. साइड से राइट. चलो सौरभ, वी कैन डू इट. हाँ, माथा घूम रहा है.
By this point, we were broken down mentally and physically by wrath of nature over and over again that night. From this point onwards, we knew like things have gone out of our control. We were not functioning, our true self. Now it was about surviving rather than, experiencing and documenting. On top of it, I couldn't really do anything. All my batteries were dead because at such temperatures, your batteries don't perform. 2 hours later, riding ankle deep in snow, we finally reached Jaswantgarh War Memorial, where we were saved by 2 Jawans who were waiting for us. Thanks to a group of people who tipped them to look out for us. They took us in, served hot food from that day's langar, tea, and a little fire to warm ourselves. It's hard to express what we were feeling at that moment. If I try to put in words, it was like they pulled us from the mouth of death. After resting for a while, we were told that civilians can't stay here, and a small town called Jang is close by, so we can reach there in an hour by midnight. But instead, 15 kilometers downhill took us 4.5 hours to reach. At 4 o'clock in the morning, we were lucky to be taken in by an old lady who gave us 2 beds, and finally, we could call it a night. And trust me, that woody, squeaky bed felt like the most comfortable bed I've ever slept in.
आराम से आराम से आराम से.
That night was by far the toughest of all. Took me to dark places in my head which I never thought they existed. It gave a new perspective to life. Showed us how fragile we are in front of nature.
एक बार
And how we take everything around for granted most of the times.
कोई बात नहीं.
Just that day I've grown more grateful towards life. Thank each and every moment I get to spend with my closed ones. And live each day to the fullest, as if it was my last.